I have underground electric running through here. Came under here. I lost a big oak tree right here that fell over, ripped out the back fence, busted this thing with the roots. And it goes through here, down in the ground. It goes to that box. And when it ripped the conduit out, it snatched the wires out of there and made it all funky. It goes back down, which it looks like the wires are intact. Coming here, they never got pulled. And that goes, that's some of the stuff I pulled out. That goes up and through that box and then over the other side of the fence. Back on the corner of the house, there's a 50 amp breaker that basically feeds this panel. So I need that thing repaired over there in the ground. And I need this power brought from this panel over to where the garage panel is, like it was before.